Today is a big day for us. We have been working a lot hard to bring to you a wonderful program, and I hope you all will get entertained. These kids from many years have been learning from me. They're starting from my daughter to students who have started in 1999. They are still performing and learning from me. And I hope we all have been able to bring to you this evening a wonderful program. Enjoy. We will start this program right now. Thank you.
Odissi, the graceful and lyrical dance from Odisha, is claimed to be India's earliest classical dance style. Odissi has a distinct style and technique in its presentation. The dance is characterized by its rounded fluid movements, as well as the abundance of sculpturesque poses or bhangis, bearing close resemblance to the sculptures of the famous temples in Puri, Konarka, and Bhubaneswar. Academy of Odissi Dance has been promoting this culture in the Tampa Bay area ever since 1999 under the guidance of Srimati Gopa Rautre. Tonight, we're going to start the program with the salutation to Lord Ganesha, offering our prayers to eradicate all evil and let the good prevail. The dancers offer obeisance to the Lord to let their performance be flawless. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the first dance of the evening, Vakratunda Mahakaya. The music is conceptualized by Guru Sri Ratikant Mohapatra and is choreographed by Srimati Gopa Rautre.